There's a few things you can do to make your AC last a little bit longer. Here are a few tips. So one thing you can do is usually you're going to pour hot water with vinegar or a number of different things they tell you down here to pour into your AC once a month. But I found if you just take some kind of keyboard air and do this whenever you think about it, I do it more than once a month, that you don't have to call the guy when your AC breaks down on a Sunday night to come do it for you. So the other thing that I do is I actually have a hose, kind of short, set up right next to my AC, and then once a month, and you can see how this can get pretty rusted. This is only like 5 years old. Once a month I just did it. I can rinse it off and get the salt off of it. So I'll also buy these pretty inexpensive filters. They come 10 to a box. You can see how deep they are. You can get these on Amazon or wherever. These fit my AC, and I'll replace those once a month. Actually, once a month.